The next thing you need to know is how embroidery floss works. So typically embroidery floss comes in 6 strands. I'm going to pull off a length that is like a workable length. So anywhere between like 12 and 18 inches works well for me. If you get too long, your thread will start to get tangled. And when I'm doing embroidery, I always keep a little pair of scissors handy that are sharp so that it makes it easier to work with this thread. So this thread comes in 6 strands. You can see as if you take your nails and start to kind of break it apart, you can see the individual strands. Now, different patterns will specify how many strands of floss you need to use in each kit or each part of the stitches. So you won't be totally in the dark about how much to use. Typically, I use between 2 and 4 strands in each piece that I'm stitching. So to separate the strands, there are so many ways you can do this, but I found the way that works best for me is to pull off a single strand at a time. So I grab a strand and I pinch the rest of it right below that strand and I pull it through. That way, this little thing that happens back here in the back doesn't actually cause tangles. So I lay the strand aside and I'll do it again for as many pieces as I need. Then I will take these pieces and line them up as well as I can up here at the top. And embroidery floss likes to twist, and we will have a better experience if the floss is more straight. So I take my fingers, I pinch them together, and I run the floss through my fingers. That way it kind of reduces the amount that this wants to twist, and then it will stitch a lot better in your pieces.